October 25th, 1917. Or was it November 7th? The date itself was a lie. And on that day, a future was born that would shatter the world. To understand this impossible revolution, you have to understand the endless winter of 1917. Russia, an ancient empire, was bleeding out on the battlefields of World War I. Millions dead, famine, poverty. The Tsar, a symbol of divine power, seemed indifferent, deaf to the cries of his people. February 1917. The people had finally had enough. Riots, strikes, the army mutinied. In a matter of days, 300 years of Romanov rule vanished like smoke. A provisional government stepped in, promising peace and bread. They delivered neither. From exile, one man saw his chance. Vladimir Lenin, a relentless revolutionary, returned to Russia, promising peace, land, and bread. His message ignited a fire in the hearts of the desperate, forming the Bolsheviks the majority, though they were anything but. Meanwhile, the provisional government faltered. They continued the war, even as the army disintegrated. Food shortages worsened. The people grew more desperate, their trust in any authority crumbling. The stage was set for the impossible. Then, on what the world would call November 7th, Lenin made his move. Small, precise, audacious. They targeted key points: the telephone exchange, the banks, and finally, the symbolic heart of the old order, the Winter Palace. The October Revolution was won with barely a shot fired, a swift, almost bloodless coup, but the consequences would be catastrophic. The calendar would change. Russia would be plunged into civil war, and a new ideology, born from desperation and iron will, would reshape the entire globe. The world turned upside down and would never be the same.